Hi, and thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I am Viviana, and I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do to increase the traffic to your website. So first, we're going to cover content, then citations, and then backlinks. So when it comes to content, I had a look at your website, and it has nice pictures and content relevant to the description of the services that you provide. When it comes to Google, it's important to have at least 1,500 words so that it can start ranking you at the top. At the moment, you have 521 words. So definitely something to look into. When I had a look at your competitors, so the first one is DreamWorks Kitchen and Bath. They have around 545 words, so similar to yours. And then when I had a look at Renovation Plus, they have close to 1,700 words, so they have a lot more. Now, it's important to not only have more content, but relevant content. So targeting keywords relevant to the services that you provide. When we talk about keywords, keyword is anything that a user types on Google to when they want to buy a product or a service. So in this case, I type in kitchen remodel Naples, Florida, and this is how I came across your business. The first thing that Google is going to show us is the Google Ads. The Google Ads are always at the top. They are able to drive good traffic to websites, but of course, businesses have to pay, and sometimes people just turn them off on their browsers, so they are invisible to people, or they just skip them to Google and they just go straight into Google Maps. So this is the Google Maps. To rank at the top of the Google Maps, you need citations. And here comes my second tip. You need more citations to rank at the top, and a citation is anything or anywhere your business is listed on a directory that is showing the name of the business and the name and the business address and the phone number, so that you can, and they need to match exactly the same as the Google business profile, so that Google can give you points for this. So just bear that in mind. Now, the third section of the Google search is the organic search. In the organic search, to rank at the top, it's a combination of both the content and the backlinks. So to analyze this, we come here, we use a tool called Ahrefs that analyzes the backend of your website, and it shows us the number of backlinks and the organic keywords that you are ranking for. So let's focus on backlinks. Backlinks is any link on a website that is directing traffic to yours or that is pointing to your website. And you need to think about it like a popularity contest, where the person with the most likes is the person that wins. In this case, the website with the most backlinks is the one that is going to rank at the top. And you just don't want any backlink. You want backlinks that are powerful. So you want them to be on relevant pages that are associated with the niche and the services that you provide, because Google has algorithms to identify that, and it's going to give you extra points or extra credit for that, and it's going to rank you higher. Now here, what this tool is saying to us is that through your website, you are able to drive 1 visit per month due to those organic keywords or keywords and those backlinks. Now, let's have a look at your competitor. Your competitor, on the other hand, they're able to drive 93 visits to their website through their website. And renovation plans, they are able to drive 64 visits to their website on a monthly basis. Now, when we talk about organic keywords, and this is the most interesting part, this tool shows us the keywords that people are searching for, what's the search volume for those keywords, and it shows us in here the position that you are ranking for those keywords, so in which position you are appearing on Google search. So anything beyond the 10th position, you are probably and most likely on the second page of Google, which means that no one is actually going to look at you. So see here, the traffic that you are able to drive to your website is close to none. Now, DreamWorks, they have and they are targeting the following keywords. So, for example, kitchen remodeling Naples, Florida, cabinet refacing, that's another one. Look at this. They are ranking on the 3rd position just for the first one. And there's a search volume of 400 searches per month. And because they are ranking on the 3rd position, they are able to drive close to 50 visits to their website. So imagine the amount of different combinations that you could have in terms of locations and services that you provide that can attract more customers to put your website in front of more and more often customers. So the possibilities are just enormous. And that means that more sales leads just means more revenue to you. So if you like what you saw on this video, you can arrange a more in-depth consultation with me. My details are at the bottom of the email. I would really appreciate if you can just provide me some feedback and then just take the conversation from there. Thank you so much. Bye bye.